You need to know one important fact. Your hair and nail continues to grow even after your so-called death. That is why whenever the Jiva Samadhis are created, they have the habit for till 3 months they will open again and again and shave it and cut the nail. When the masters leave the body, means they just keep the body and the Samadhi is built all around. They don't fill the Samadhi with any other material. Just body is kept, so the Samadhi is open, and cleaning the hair and cutting the nail is done for next 3 months. Body is constantly changing. Mind is constantly changing. But you don't get perplexed by the change, because what you feel as you, in that only 0.0027% change is happening.